Hi boys and girls. This video is on elapsed time and how to find the sum of your times that you have. Over here you can see I've made a chart with some activities that I did this morning along with the times that it took me. Now to find the sum of my total time, I want to think about what that word sum means. SUM is the answer. The sum is what you get whenever you add. When you add your add-ins, you get your sum. So basically, we're going to take our times and we're going to add them up. So I had breakfast for 10 minutes. I checked emails and wrote emails for 15 minutes. This morning, I had 2 Google Meets for a total of about 40 minutes. I got on Dojo and messaged some parents for 25 minutes. I worked on lesson plans for 20, and I started working on making math videos, and that has taken me about 35 minutes. Now, all of these are in minutes, so I'm just gonna add up my minutes from here. So ones place, I've got 5, 10, 15, so that's 1, 10, 5 ones. Now let's add up our tens column. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 4 is 11, 12, 13, 14. So I have a total of 145 minutes. Now this is not finished. I need to simplify this. In order to simplify this, I need to ask myself, do I have any hours in here? I know from looking at my conversion chart that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So I'm gonna pull out those whole hours. So I'm gonna come over here to this side now. I'm gonna rewrite my 145 minutes. And this time I'm gonna pull out and subtract 60 until I can no longer subtract any 60s. Okay, so I pulled out 160 minute, 1 hour, and I'm left with 85 minutes. And then you have to ask yourself, can you do it again? So yes, I can pull out another 60 minutes. And that leaves me with 25. Now I can no longer pull out any more 60s. That's as much as I can pull out. So what I like to do is I like to go back and I like to circle those 60 minutes because that represents 1 whole hour. And as you can see, I pulled out 2 hours. And then we had 25 minutes left. So to show that, I'm gonna write my 2 hours, and then to separate my hours from my minutes, I'm going to put a comma down. So 2 hours and 25 minutes is the total amount of time that I spent this morning doing some activities. So to recap, whenever you find the sum of your times, if you have times in a table, you want to know how much total time you spent, add up your minutes. After you add them up, ask yourself if you can take out 60 minutes. We know 60 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour. So we pulled out 60s until we were no longer able to pull out any more hours. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. All right, thank you very much.